Hello everyone. Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney, and I just want to start this video off by saying thank you all so much for all the new subscribers and the support that y'all have been showing me. I so appreciate it. The videos that I posted after Monday were pre-recorded, so I didn't obviously say anything at the beginning of those, but oh my goodness, I was just blown away by the amount of new followers, and I'm so thankful. And so I just wanted to start with that. But today is my first Freebie Friday. I've been trying to figure out a way to save for Christmas especially, and birthdays, and Valentine's and stuff like that. Easter, I want to get Arya like a little Easter basket. And so anyways, I decided to do Freebie Friday challenges and save for those things. So this is my first one. And we might, depending on how it goes, we might switch it up. But I have lots of freebies to show y'all here. So I've kind of sorted them into different holidays. So the first one here is by CBA Mom Saves. And this came with a couple tinies. So just a note to remind you that you are important and loved. And then we have this one by Save It Mel, these set of 3. So there's those ones. These are all freebies, and I will link all these channels below so y'all can check them out. Next I have a set of mine that are in my Ko-fi. So it's the Love Bug ones. So there's those. These are also in my Ko-fi. This one is Love You Very Much. So there's those ones. These ones are from April's Fresh Start, and they're little monster ones. So I thought those were cute for Valentine's Day. Then we have this one from Angela Marie. And this is a set of 3, but this is the February one. So I'm gonna set that one there. And then these little penguin guys are from Printable by Woods. And these had tinies on them too. They were so cute. All right, and then there's this set in my Ko-fi, Be Mine. The first one of these I gave away in one of my Etsy orders recently, so I wasn't gonna print a whole new set, but those are the Valentine's Day ones. So there's that. Okay, then we have loads of St. Patrick's Day ones. So this is one that I created. There's so many people have been creating March challenges for March Madness. Lisa Grateful Me is doing a lot of different freebies, like showcasing different freebies. So go check out her channel because she has like so many of them. But these ones are created by, oh my gosh, the thing is so tiny on here. I cannot see it. I can't read it. But I'll link them below, okay? This one is by Angela Marie. This was another, with that Valentine's one. This one is by Windmill Ridge Budgets. Sorry guys, I don't know why I'm having a hard time speaking tonight. But St. Patrick's Day ones and these basketball ones. So cute. So lots of freebies for St. Patrick's Day out there. And even more than this, I just didn't, I've been scouring the internet to find different freebies, and it just takes a long time to download them and print them all. These ones are kind of random, but I put Easter with birthday because I didn't have a lot of Easter ones yet. So I'm gonna be making some soon as we get closer to Easter, but this one is by Canadian Finance Journey, and these ones are all by Vicky Thinks. So super cute. Then we have Christmas ones, or like winter ones. So Rainy Day April. This one is by Autumn Budgets Shop. So she has a YouTube channel, and if anybody has a YouTube channel, I'll try to link them down in the comments, like their actual channel. This one is the collaboration with Norellis Budgets, GNL Budgeting Besties, and Glory's Budget, and Lil's World. I know GNL Budgeting Besties changed her name to like Lysandra something. So there's those Hello Kitty ones. Super cute for Christmas. There's these ones by Blessed Budgets by Abigail. And it looks like this channel maybe created them, but it was for Abigail. I'm not sure. Abigail, let me know if you watch this, what's going on with these. I want to give credit where it's due, so I'm not sure. But these were in Abigail's shop, so let me know what was happening there. I probably missed it in the description or something, but these are so cute. I love this little card with the tree. Oh my goodness. And the peppermints here, how adorable. Okay, so there's those. And then these three are by Overthinking and Budgeting. I love this style of like the groovy, or like, yeah, groovy Western, I guess you'd call it, Christmas. That's so cute. Okay, let me move these up. There we go. Okay, so those are the winter/Christmas ones. And last but not least, guys, we have New Year's. So this one Angela Marie made with that set of 3. And these are my New Year's freebies in my Ko-fi. And those are all the New Year's ones I have right now. I wasn't really looking for New Year's because it just happened. But I know that there are more out there, so I will find them and download them and show y'all. So let me pick a few challenges to put in my envelopes, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Ooh, you're shaking. So these are the ones I chose to start off with. Let me count how much money I have here to go into these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I know it's a random amount, but where is this money from? I do like side hustles like DoorDash and tutoring and stuff, so it's kind of from that. I also had a $5 bill that the bank would not accept, so I took that as like a sign that I just needed to put it into savings. So so yeah, that's where this money is coming from. But we're gonna roll and see which challenge gets, actually, yeah. Okay, I was gonna say this is a roll and save, but I think I'm just gonna make each box 2. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah. And I am wait, I think I totally missed what that roll was. I'm sorry guys, I'm not paying attention. What was I saying? Oh, I'm gonna kind of front load Valentine's Day because it's coming up and I have not saved anything for it really. And I want to get Aria a gift. I want to get my boyfriend a gift. We're going to go out to eat at a nice restaurant and we're going halvesies. And so I need to really save some money for that. So I have 3 Valentine's Day challenges and then I have the other ones that are coming up, but we're kind of prioritizing Valentine's Day right now. Okay. Nope. That's number 5. Okay, there we go. Number 3, I need to find something else to roll my dice on. Okay, there we go. So let's see what each challenge got, and we'll start saving for these holidays, guys. I'm so excited to start saving for these holidays. And I just love all the holiday savings challenges because they're just so cute and they make me think of fun times when we don't have to go into work. Okay, so number 6 was Blessed Budgets by Abigail, and it got 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to make each one of these $1. So I don't have my pink marker. Where did it go? I don't know. 1, 2, 3. All right. So there's that one. All right, this one is by Save It Mel. I just started following her channel, but she is so funny. She cracks me up. 1, 2, 3. And we're just gonna make these each $1. 1, 2, 3. She was telling a story of like one of her first dates that went horribly. And I was laughing, but I also was, you know, dying on the inside because I so relate to her. 1, 2, 3. So anyways, I hope y'all are having a great day, a great Friday. This is probably going to be, hopefully I can get it posted tonight, but maybe not. So if not, happy Saturday. We'll see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, this was definitely the winner today. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Next we have Windmill Ridge Budgets, St. Patrick's Day. Oh, I forgot to say, I already said, but Canadian Finance Journey. This one was me. All right, this is Windmill Ridge Budgets, Susan. Okay, let's make each of these 2. So we're gonna do 1 and 1/2. Actually, I kind of want to color these in. Let's color. Love coloring. All right, so we'll do 1 per coin. So each one has like 2 little coins. So we'll do that one and then this one. Nice. Okay. And finally we have 1, 2, 3. Man, 3 was really like the number, wasn't it? All right. So each one of these is 2. 1, 2, and then we'll do half for 3. And this one again is Angela Marie 888. Please go follow all of these wonderful creators if you have not yet had a chance to follow them. Give them some love and support. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. It really means the world to me. I will link all of these beautiful challenges down in the description, so be sure to check them out. And I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.